10 facts that sound fake but are actually true. What if I told you that some sharks are older than trees? One animal has 3 hearts, and there's a planet where a single day lasts longer than an entire year? These facts sound impossible, but they're all true. Stay until the end because the final fact might completely change the way you think about your own brain. Let's begin. Fact 1. Humans drilled the deepest hole on Earth. The deepest hole ever drilled by humans is called the Kola Super Deep Borehole, located in Russia. It reached more than 12 kilometers, or about 7.5 miles, beneath Earth's surface. Scientists hope to learn more about the Earth's crust, but they encountered temperatures of around 180 degrees Celsius, much hotter than expected. The rock became too soft to drill through, and the project eventually ended. Even after drilling that deep, humans still haven't reached Earth's mantle. Fact 2. Sharks are older than trees. When most people think of ancient life, they imagine giant dinosaurs. But sharks are even older than trees. The earliest sharks appeared more than 400 million years ago, while the first true trees didn't evolve until roughly 350 million years ago. That means sharks were already swimming through Earth's oceans long before forests covered the land. Fact 3. Octopuses have 3 hearts. An octopus has 3 hearts and blue blood. 2 hearts pump blood to the gills, while the third pumps blood through the rest of the body. When an octopus swims, its main heart temporarily stops beating, which is one reason these intelligent animals often prefer crawling along the ocean floor instead of swimming long distances. Fact 4. Honey can last for thousands of years. Honey is one of the very few foods that can stay edible for an incredibly long time if it's stored properly. Because honey contains very little water and is naturally acidic, bacteria struggle to grow in it. Archaeologists have even discovered ancient honey in sealed containers that remained remarkably well preserved after thousands of years. Fact 5. Lightning is hotter than the surface of the sun. A single lightning bolt can heat the air around it to temperatures of roughly 30,000 degrees Celsius for a brief instant. That's actually hotter than the surface of the sun. This intense burst of heat causes the surrounding air to expand rapidly, creating the sound wave we hear as thunder. Fact 6. A day on Venus is longer than its year. On Earth, a year is much longer than a day, but on Venus, it's the opposite. Venus rotates so slowly that one full rotation takes about 243 Earth days, while it completes one orbit around the Sun in about 225 Earth days. Imagine celebrating your birthday before the sun has risen even once. Fact 7. Antarctica is the world's largest desert. When people hear the word desert, they usually imagine hot sand dunes, but a desert is defined by how little precipitation it receives. Antarctica gets so little rain and snowfall each year that it qualifies as the largest desert on Earth, even though it's covered in ice. Fact 8. Bananas are berries. According to botany, bananas are actually classified as berries. Surprisingly, strawberries are not. Scientific definitions don't always match the names we use in everyday life, making this one of nature's strangest facts. Fact 9. There is an island almost nobody can visit. North Sentinel Island, located in the Indian Ocean, is home to the Sentinelese, one of the world's last uncontacted indigenous peoples. The surrounding area is protected by law to safeguard both the community and visitors. It remains one of the most isolated places on Earth. Fact 10. Your brain doesn't simply record reality. You might think your brain works like a video camera, but it doesn't. Instead, your brain constantly interprets, predicts, and fills in missing information to help you understand the world. That's one reason optical illusions can fool us, and why two people can remember the same event differently. Your experience of reality is shaped by your brain every second of every day. Which fact surprised you the most? Tell us in the comments below. And if you enjoy learning incredible things that sound impossible but are actually true, subscribe to Mind Blown Daily, because every week we'll uncover more amazing facts that make the world even more fascinating.